if you got a girl. Don't mean no disrespect, but thoughts of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I. See you all around my way. Been meaning to say hi, but I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see this is more than just a silly crush. And I wonder if you even notice me.
Hey, we's back. Well, I'm back, and then there she go. So I'm gonna be reviewing this. What is it called?
Blow dryer?
No, with the thingy. Comb, brush,
Paddle brush?
blow dryer, whatever. But I seen a lot of people doing it, so I wanted to do a review. But I'm not gonna do my whole head because I already had a twist out. Yeah. So I'm just do half. Well, she's gonna do half. Should have did this like you over there, but whatever. She's gonna do half of my head. I'm gonna re-wet it and then blow dry it and then see. I don't know. Maybe I'll do the whole head afterwards, but I don't know. So. We should put it up close and do the thingy. That's what the bottom part.
This is. Okay. This camera's stupid. Okay. Off. Cool. Low. And then high. It's real loud on cool. And low. So that's how you do it.
On my back. There's one piece. You see? I don't know. Stupid lighting. Because that's one half. Ooh, that was a fast. Ooh. That's, what is it, 2 sections, and that was like 5 minutes. Less
than 5 minutes.
for this part. Now she's just gonna do this part. That little would just take like 20 minutes just to do my whole head. I might like it.
Oh.
Okay, one more section. This literally like 5 minutes. So like 5 minutes and 5 minutes take like 10 minutes for the whole head. Oh, and I'm using, what'd you say, low heat? Cool?
Low heat.
Low heat. I don't want to use high because low heat, you see it already, it's good already. Ta-da! No,
Hey!
hair's gonna twist out here. I like it. The tips. Mm, it's good. Well, that was it. Honey, I like this. That was like 5-6 minutes. What? For one whole side of my head, and this was a bigger section because I got a side part. So bigger section. And to this part would probably take like 3 minutes. Done. That's my new favorite. But yeah, I use the cool heat. Cool? Low?
You use low heat,
Low.
and then for the front section, you use cool.
Yeah. But yeah. So that's it. I like it. She liked it. She did her hair. Well, she got it twisted out now. But she did her hair yesterday with it. And she got really thick, coarse hair, curly hair. So hers took, how long did it take for your head?
20 minutes.
20 minutes for her head. And like 10 minutes for mine. So yeah, I like it. It was $40 on, I don't know, just online. Even if she should have went to Ulta, because it's $40 there. I think that's it. I should do my other side. So hope you like,
Comment.
and subscribe. Where are you pointing? We'll just subscribe. Down there is the red button. It's free, so do it. And come back every Monday and Thursday for a new video. I'm supposed to do it.
Oh.
Peace and love.